Hi everyone, my name is Kyle and I'm here with Makers Mercantile to share with you all the awesome things in today's newsletter. So we're going to begin with a kit, of course. So behind me is a version of The Starting Point by Joji Locatelli, and it is a fantastic project because it's fairly simple, but the construction is pretty clever, and it combines 5 different colors and different stitch patterns, of course, to create this really gorgeous wrap. The yarn that we've used is Kobasi, which is a combination of cotton, bamboo, silk, and a little bit of elastic nylon. It's an ideal non-wool project for folks who might have a wool sensitivity, and also for folks who are in warmer climates in general. So Kobasi is put up in hanks like this, so it will need to be wound, of course, and here is what the little label looks like. The twist is amazing on this yarn. It's a great yarn to work with, and we have 4 different colorways. So of course I have the first one here. I have 2 of these samples made up. So this is the first colorway. It's called Rose Gold. So, and you're going to get in each of the kits, you'll get 2 hanks each of the 5 different colors. So a total of 10 hanks of yarn. You're going to get the pattern, of course. And remember, when you're adding the product to the cart, make sure, if you want us to add it to your Ravelry library, to also put that Ravelry name, the username that you use, in there as well, and we can add it to your Ravelry library. If you're not on Ravelry, or you don't have an account or don't use it, just use your regular email. When you check out like normal, we're gonna purchase that pattern from Joji and send a copy of it to you, to whatever email you provide when you're checking out. So again, rose gold, here's the rose gold, and 10 hanks of Kobasi, 2 each of 5 different colors. You're also going to get a 𝘁𝗱𝘆 rocket squared fixed circular needle in a size US 6, 4 millimeter, 32 inch long. So you're gonna get the needle, you're gonna get the pattern, you'll get the 10 hanks of yarn, and a Maker's Drawstring project bag. I think that's all I put in it. Yeah, that is what I put in it. So there you go. There are a limited number of these kits of each of the 4 colorways. When they are gone, they're going to, I'm not sure if we're gonna bring them back or not, but they are really beautiful. So we'll see what we do. So that's one colorway, Rose Gold. The second colorway that I'll give you, just some sort of teasers, this is called 𝗁𝗶𝗄𝗃. 𝗁𝗶𝗃𝗄𝗃. So there's 𝗁𝗶𝗃𝗄𝗃. A little bit of that really fun green in there, and then some blues, and of course a white, pop of white, nice and bright, clear one. Another colorway that we did is called Mood Ring. Let's see if I can get these to, should have like taped them together or something to give you an idea. So here's Mood Ring. It's got sort of these jewel-y tones, jewel-ish, jewel-esque tones in it. I think that's going to be a really gorgeous one as well. And then the 4th colorway that we came up with is called Frosted Sapphire, and it is lots of blues. A party of blues, please. We could have called it the blues, I guess. Anyway, there's that one. It's got some neutrals and a couple different really fun blues in there. And I'm showing you, as I said, just 5 hanks. You're going to get 2 of each of the hanks, so a total of 10 hanks of yarn for that. So that is the Starting Point shawl kit that we have going on. Now for our friends who crochet, we love you as well, of course, and we just got something from across the pond. Our friends at Toft make these really adorable crochet kits. And there are different skill levels for the different ones. This one happens to be Axel, who is a German Shepherd. It has in it 100% pure wool from, of course, from the UK. It has some really great premium stuffing. It has a crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and of course the pattern in it as well. So all of these have all that things, and there's all of those ingredients, I guess, parts in it. Here's one that's called, it's a level 2. This is 𝗁𝗶𝗄𝗃, the unicorn. Same deal. It's got all the stuff that you need to make it happen. And inside each of these as well is a a link to some YouTube videos that give you some information on how to become more successful at crocheting, or if you don't understand some of the instructions, it can be a little clearer. I'll show you these two. I guess, 𝗁𝗲𝗄𝗃, you can go back here. Here's a teensy one. I thought it was really sweet. This is Minnie, Bridget the elephant, and it is really wonderful. And then the last one reminds me so much of little San Francisco dog Dewey, sweet little Dewey. This is Barney the Boston Terrier. And again, all of the stuff that you need is inside this little package. So for those of you who like to crochet, there's a whole bunch of animals that you can check out on our website and add those to your cart. Get them to your house so you can bring them to life and either love them yourself or give them to someone that you care about. And then the last thing I wanted to mention in today's newsletter is we have just restocked our little colorful bulb stitch markers. So inside the container, it's a little clear container and has a little red lid on it. And inside it has all those little bulb stitch markers. So you can see what they look like. There they are. They are fantastic for marking rows and rounds. Of course, dividing between stitch pattern repeats, and also keeping track of progress. They're also really good for like a provisional cast on. So if you use a crochet provisional cast on, and then at the very end of casting on the stitches with your crochet hook, what I normally do is I'll chain a number of stitches, just to get a length of chain away from my project. And then that live stitch, that single live stitch, which is what we have in crochet, I'll put one of these little stitch markers on there to sort of capture that yarn so it doesn't, or the yarn so it doesn't zip and unzip and get my work done, all tangled. That way also, it's really easy to undo. So you just undo the little stitch marker, you're ready to unzip your provisional cast on, and you're ready to go. So I think that's it. It's kind of short and sweet today. It is Friday. Yay, it's Friday. I hope that you get to do something creative and fun with friends and family, or at least something creative for yourself. Make sure you reach out to someone that you've been thinking about. Let them know that you are there for them. And in the meantime, we are going to be prepping for our newsletter coming up this Tuesday, which will be a fantastic one. Just fair warning, make sure you open the newsletter quick, because when it's time to see those things, you will certainly want some of them very quickly, and they will fly out the door. So I think that's it. So get on over to our website, purchase your kit, and whichever kit you might be interested in. And until then, we will see you again on Tuesday. So have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.